In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause alerts on TradingView. If you use TradingView regularly, you probably rely on alerts to let you know when price reaches a certain level, when indicators trigger, or when specific conditions are met. Alerts are powerful, but sometimes they can get a bit overwhelming, especially if you're testing a strategy, switching devices, or simply need a break from constant notifications. Instead of deleting your alerts or turning off notifications everywhere, the easiest and safest option is to pause them. That way, you can keep all your setups intact and resume them whenever you're ready. Let's walk through how to do this step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and have a chart or layout open. On the right-hand side of your screen, you'll see a vertical toolbar. This is often referred to as the right sidebar, and it holds several important tools like your watch list, data window, and alerts. Look closely for the icon that represents alerts. Depending on your layout and theme, this will usually look like a clock or a small alert bell or alarm style icon. It's typically labeled alerts when you hover over it. Go ahead and click on that icon. Once you click it, an alerts panel will open, usually sliding out from the right side. Here, you'll see a list of all your current alerts, including active ones and sometimes previously triggered or expired alerts, depending on your filters. This is where you manage everything related to alerts on your account. To pause your alerts, you want to focus on the control area at the top of this alerts panel. Look for a pause symbol, which usually looks like two vertical bars. This is the pause icon that controls whether your alerts are actively firing or temporarily on hold. Click on the pause icon. When you do this, TradingView will stop sending notifications for your alerts. But it will not delete them. They'll remain in your list, with their conditions and settings preserved, ready to be resumed later. This is especially useful if you need to step away from the markets, are in a meeting, or don't want notifications during certain hours. When you're ready to start receiving alerts again, you can simply click the same icon to unpause them, and that's all there is to it. By using the alerts panel and the pause icon, you can quickly control your TradingView alerts without losing any of your carefully configured setups.